Hello families, the purpose of this video is so you can see how to get into Raz-kids and how to do it with English or Spanish in the reading room. So first to start, I always start with Google Chrome, and here I'll do a new tab. I always search for Raz-kids student login, as you can see here. Go up to Raz-kids, and there's always a green button. That's the easiest way to train our children. Kids login, right here. Let's see, right there, where it says kids login. And then you will put your teacher's username. For my class, it's Mr. Innes, with no spaces, no dots, no anything. And for Mrs. Ball, it's posted a couple places in her Padlet, in the email that has your child's password from the very beginning of the year. So then here, once you're in, you'll find your name. Oh, there's my name. And then instead of a password that you need to enter with the keyboard, for our youngest kids, we have a password where they select the item. So here's mine. I'm going to click it. Oh, look, it's green. And click go. Now, the tricky thing about Raz-kids is finding where's the Spanish books. So here in the reading room, let's see, there, reading room. There are categories up above. Here's Spanish. Okay, we'll go into Spanish. And I don't know if the student view is exactly like this. I think it is. Down here, the second set where it says Libros en Español, when you look at those, the idea in our program is that you, with this software, the student listens starting at level AA, the very easiest, up to E or kindergarten level, or farther if appropriate. They listen and then read each book. So here I would listen. I do not have time while I'm making this video right now, but you would listen all the way through. Then for read, the student is looking at words and recognizing where words are. The idea is that we're taking the responsibility from listening to our model speaker in either Spanish or English, and then also attempting to read. So it's not just listening to mom or dad reading it. It wouldn't be in the classroom. So here we read the best we can, and that's how we progress. I don't have time to show each of them. And two things to note: the reading can be how do I put this? If you click too quickly through the reading, it won't give you the stars, and it won't say that you've read the book. So making sure that you're looking at each word and you're pointing to it, that's going to be the best way to show that you're reading it. And what do we recommend in our program? Either in English in the reading room or in Spanish. Regardless of your child's reading level, these books mirror each other. So there's a book called Amarillo. There's also a book called Yellow. There's a book called Animales de la Finca, and then there's also a book called Farm Animals. So since they mirror, reading every single book just in order, AA all the way up to E, means that there's a lot of vocabulary that has a chance to bridge over from one language over to the second language, either in Spanish first, then English, if Spanish is your stronger language, or English first, then Spanish, if you're learning Spanish in school for the first time. Anyway, families, I hope that helps. So once again, that's reading room up here in these sections, Spanish, and then you can use any of these books in Spanish, but I do Libros en Español because that's what we found to be most effective for students to get a larger vocabulary and to get concepts of print. It really hits a lot of our reading standards. Thank you. Have fun reading.